Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of Dhronas. Okay, so today we are going to do a small practice set about West Bengal Police and Kolkata Police Constable. This is the reasoning practice set 3. Okay, so chalo, let's start. Okay, so the first question is about coding. It's about coding. So what is written? The first question states is given as this. So it's given as U W P Y. Okay. So in the previous class I've stated that you should write A till Z so that it doesn't make any confusion in the examination hall. Okay. So P is written as U. So you can see P Q R S T U, that means plus 5. Then R is also written as W plus 5. O is written as P, that means plus 1. M is written as R plus 5. T is written as Y, it is also plus 5. So how it, acha, that is plus 5 plus 5 1 plus 5 and plus 5. Okay, let's see claim. How it's claim written? Let's see C L A I M. How it is written? H Q B J and R. Acha. C is written to H. See, it's plus 5. L is written as Q plus 5. A is written as B plus 1. I is written as J plus 1. M is written as R plus 5. Okay, you can see in here it is given plus 5 plus 5 1 plus 5 plus 5, but here it is plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 and 5. Why plus 1 here 2 times? Because we can see A and I are vowel, O is also a vowel. O is also a vowel. So only vowels are changed with plus 1 and consonants are changed with plus 5. Okay, so how is super written? How it is super written? So you can see S U P E R. So S plus 5 T U V W X. So S is written as X. U, it's a vowel, plus 1. U should be written as V. P should be written as, which is a consonant. P is a consonant, plus 5. Then Q R S T U. E is a vowel, it's plus 1, that is F. R is a consonant, written as plus 5 S T U V W. So the answer is XVU. Answer is XVU FW. FW. So where it is given XVU FW. So the option B is correct. Okay. Chalo. Next question. Next question is about directions. It's about directions. So A is 4 centimeter north of E. Let's see. A is 4 meter north of E. Acha, sorry, it's south. My bad. A is 4 centimeter south of E. Acha, chalo. Let's make E here. A 4 centimeter. Then what it is given? D is 10 meter north of C. D is 10 meter north of C. Then we don't know where it is. So next is 4 is B is 4 centimeter west of D. B is 4 centimeter west. That means B should be here. 4. Then we have G is 5 meter east of C. G is 5 centimeter east of C. 5 G. Then we have F is 6 meter east of E. F is 6 meter east. That means F should be here. Then we have B is 8 centimeter north of F. Achha, we cannot do here. Let's see. B should be here. 8 centimeter. Then with this diagram, we are making this. D should be here. Then we have 10. That means till this part it should be 8. It should be 2. It is C. Because this portion C and 5 G. We have completed this one. So the diagram is completed. So what the question states? The question states then what, in which direction G with respect to A. G with respect to A. It's, see, we know north, south, east and west. So it's above. That means in direction which is northeast. See, G is here, A should be here, G is here, so northeast. Okay. Next question. Okay, it is about missing. It's about missing. So what it is given? 8 2 comes 36, 12 5 comes 49. So what does 18 and something comes 81. As you can see, if we subtract 8 minus 2, that is 6, and 6 square is 36. Same goes with this one. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7's square is 49. So 18 minus something which gives 81. That means something should be subtracted with this number, and the number itself is squared to gives 81. We know 81 is a square of 9. So we require 9 after subtracting it. So what we should subtract? We should subtract 18 with 9, which gives us 9. Then 9 square is 81. So the answer should be D. So the answer should be D. So the first number is subtracted with the second number and squaring the number, which gives us the resultant answer. Okay. Chalo, next question. It's given, from the alternative select the words that can be formed using the letters of the given word. That means with this letter, with this word that is given here, what words can be formed using the letters provided in this word. So let's take the first one. What it is given? Ratio. R-A-T-I-O. You can see R is here. You can see R is here, but with R is here, but A is not here. Is A here in the word prospective? Answer is not there. Then we have trained. T, we have T, we have R, but we do not have A. So this option is also wrong. Then we have select. Then we have select. So we have S, we have E, we does not have L over here. We does not have L over here. So option C is also wrong. So let's take, so the option should be D. Repose C. CR, we have E, we have P, we have O, we have S, and we have also T. So repost is the answer that can be formed from using these letters. Okay. Chalo, next. So next question is about statements and conclusions. So some statement is given, some conclusion is given. We will see that if the statements, that is the question for this one, does it match with the conclusion? Okay. So what it is given? Some art, see, some art is training. Next we have all training is painting. All training is painting. This is the diagram that is formed using the statements. So what does the conclusion say? Some painting is art. You can see some painting is art. Yes, this portion. So the first option is correct. Then we have some training is art. Yes, you can see this portion. This portion is in the art. So this option is also correct. And third, we have all art is painting. All art, see, all art is painting. No, we cannot see, we cannot state that all art is painting. So the option 3 is wrong. So 1 and 2 is correct. Option number 3 is wrong. So option number C, see, only 1 and 2 follows. Hope you got it. Chalo, next question. Okay, what it is given? Find the odd one. We should find the odd one. So let's write B, C, E, H. Then we have P, Q, S, V. We have E, F, H, J, and we have M, N, P, S. You can see B to C we have one gap, B, C. Then we have C, E, we have 2, and E, H, we have 3. Okay, let's see if it goes with this also. P, Q, 1, Q, S, 2, S, V, 3. Then we have EF, 1, FH, 2, H, J. It's also 2. That means this is wrong. You can see MN, 1, NP2, PS3. So option 3 is the odd one out, because the sequence is going 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. See, 1 2 3, but in this one it is 1 2 2. So the option C is wrong, is the odd one. Okay, chalo, next. So it is also about the missing, or the 5 is represented as 9, then what number should be represented at what? So 5 is represented at 9. So let's see, let's take the first option. 10 represents 29. 25 is represented as 79. 16 is given as 65. 12 is given as 34. You can see 5 times 2 is 10, minus 1 is 9. If we go with this, you can see times 3 minus 1. Oh, sorry, this should be 33. If we go with this, times 3 plus 4. If we go with this, times 4 plus 1. If we go with this, times 3 minus 3. Doesn't match anyone, because it's the option says minus 1 should be there. So this is the correct answer. 10 times 3 minus 1 is 29. So the option A is correct. Okay, chalo, next question. It is also about the relation. So 6 is written as 18. So what should 14 be written as? You can see 6 times 3 comes 18. So if we go with that, 14 times 3 is 42, but none of the option is given as 42. So there is a trick, or there is something, another catch in this question. Okay, let's see what's the catch. If we write 6 times 4, that is 24, minus the number itself, which gives us 18. Let's see if this is possible or not. Fourteen times 4, which gives 56, minus the number itself, it's not possible. So there is another trick. So let's see what's the trick. If we write 6 and 18, you can write 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 6 is 18. Fourteen is written as 7 times 2, and if we go Acha, you can also see that 18 is a multiple of 6, so we should a multiple of 14. We require a multiple of 14. So 14 is not, 64 is not a multiple of 14. 40 is also not a multiple of 40. But 98 and 70 is a multiple of 14. Okay. So 98 is 7 times 14, and 70 is a multiple of 10, or you can write 14 times 5. I think there is an error in the question. I think there is an error in the question. So let's leave this question for right now. We'll look afterwards. Okay, question number 8. Acha, chalo. Next question. Next question is states that arrange the word as per dictionary order. Arrange the word as per dictionary order. So you know, as per dictionary, Q comes first, then R. Q comes first, then R. So Q, and we have Q here. So either the answer should start with 2 or the answer should start with 5. So Q, here also Q, U, U. Then we have A over here. We have E over here. So we know A is the first letter of an alphabetical order. So option should start with 2. Then we have 5. Chalo. 2. Then we have 5. Complete. Then we have R. Chalo. R. We have R here, R here, R here, R here. Achha. We can see A is here, A is here. So either the second number should be either 3 or 6. So then we have the third letter here is I. We have R. So we can see that race should be the next word. Then we have 6. So 3 is also completed, 6 is also completed. Then the last we have recovery and the rusty. So we have recovery RE, that means 4 and should be 1. So 2 5 3 6 4 1, 2 5 3 6 4 1. Option is B. Okay, chalo next question pe. Okay, what it is given, select an option that is related to the third term in the same way as the second term is related to the first. So you can see circumference. Circumference is related to circle. Then how is perimeter is related to? We know circumference means the outer portion of a circle. We know circumference means the outer portion of a circle. We know the formula of circle of circumference, that is 2 pi r. That means the outer region of a circle is known as circumference. And what is perimeter? Perimeter comes either for rectangle or for square, because the outer portion of a rectangle is also known as perimeter and the outer portion of a square is also known as perimeter. The formula, I am just writing it for your rectangle's perimeter is 2 length plus breadth, and square's perimeter is 4a or 4 side or 4 into side. So perimeter is the outer covering. So either it is rectangle or it is square. So where it is option? 3D is not. 3D comes for volume. 3D comes for volume. Like cube. Cube. We have cuboid. These are 3D diagrams. Big is nothing. Breadth is the shortest part. Breadth is the shortest part of a rectangle. You know, length is the longest part and the breadth is the shortest part of a rectangle. So breadth is also not an answer. So the answer is square. So the answer is square. Okay. Chalo. Let's move on to the next question. Next question is about missing numbers. So what is the missing number given here? We have the question 72, 69, 64, question mark 48. Pen is little bit not working over here. Let's see. 72 goes to 69, that is minus 3. 69 goes to 64, it's minus 5. Then if we see 64 minus 7, so 64 minus 7, that is 57, and 57 minus 9, let's say 57 minus 9 is 48. So the answer should be 57, option number 1. So it's the odd difference, 357, it's the odd difference. Chalo, next question. Next question is, if plus and minus are interchanged, then what will be the resultant answer? So let's see, 72 minus is changed to plus, then we have 91 divides 13 multiplied by 12, plus is changed to minus 6. So you can see 13 times 7 is 91. So 72, 7 multiplied by 12 is 84 minus 6. So 72 plus 84, 156. 156 minus 6, that is 150. So the answer is 150. Okay, chalo, next question. How is next question given? It is also about relation. So what it is given? Rat. Rat is written as U, X and W. R is written as U plus 3. A is written as X, that is minus 3. T is written as W plus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 plus 3. So T O G is written as T plus 3 means W. O minus 3 means L, and G plus 3 means J. So WLJ, where is WLJ? Option number 1. ठीक है, चलो move on to the next question. So okay, next question is coded language. It is about coded language. Bag is written as 71. Okay, chalo. Okay, I'm just writing for you guys over here a small pen is not working properly. We know A's place value is 1, B2, C3, D4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, N is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, for you guys. Okay, so how it is given? Bag. How is bag written? As 71. We know B's place value is 2, A's place value is 1, and G's place value is 7. Does 217 comes anywhere near 71? If we add also, we get 10. If we add, we get 10. If we multiply, we get 14. Nothing is near 71. So how it is possible that bag is written as 71? Let's see. I'm just rubbing for you guys. See. Okay. What is the opposite of B? What is the opposite of B? Opposite of B is 25. Opposite of B is 25. Opposite of A is 26. And opposite of G is 20. Now add all these 3 digits. See? So how it is given? The letters are the number of the letters are opposite. See, B is 25, A is 26, G is T. Let's see vice. Does vice V I C E? V is opposite is E, that is 5. I is opposite is R, that is 18. C is opposite is X, that is 24. And E is opposite is V, that is 22. Just add it. Let's see. Add it. So 18 plus 5 is 23, plus 24 plus 22 is 46. Adding, it becomes 69. See, 69 is there. So hope you got it. The letters of the numbers are opposite. So what we require? We require like. L-I-K-E. So L's opposite is 15. I opposite is R. K opposite is P, that is 16. And E's opposite is V, that is 22. Add it. So 15 and 18 comes 33. 16 plus 22 comes 38. Adding the both digit becomes 71. So the option for this question is option number 1, that is 71. Hope you got it. Chalo, next question. Okay. It is also about coding. What it is given? Owl. Owl is known as peacock. Okay. Peacock is known as cuckoo. It's a singing bird. Cuckoo is a singing bird. You know peacock, national bird. You know owl. And cuckoo is known as the pigeon. Cuckoo is known as a pigeon. And pigeon is known as sparrow, the small birds. Sparrow. So then what would be the name of the bird that sings well? AJ. The question here is that sings well. I just said that cuckoo is a singing bird. So cuckoo is known as what? Cuckoo is known as pigeon. So the answer for this question is pigeon. ठीक है, चलो next question. Okay, this thing also missing. See, select the letter clusters. So what it is given? T R O R Q M P P K N O I, which gives what? So T to R. How does T to R goes? -2. R to P, again -2. P P to N, again minus 2. So N should be also goes with minus 2, that is L. So the first option, first letter should be L. Okay, now R to Q minus 1, Q to P minus 1, P to O again minus 1. So O minus 1, that comes N. Okay, now O to M is also minus 2, M to K is also minus 2, and K to I is also minus 2. So I minus 2 should be G. So the answer is LNG, option number 4. Okay, chalo, next question. Next question is about statements and conclusion. Next question is about statements and conclusion. So this is the statement given. With this statement you have to go with the conclusion. Okay. So what the statement says, some car are white. Let's see. Some car are white. Then first statement complete. Second statement says some lock are white. Some lock are white. Statement is complete. So this is our possible diagram. This is our possible diagram. So what does the conclusion says? Conclusion says all whites are lock. Does all white looks like lock? No. First option, first conclusion is wrong. Then we have no car is lock. No car is lock. Some lock can be car. It is. It does not state that no car is lock. So second option is also incorrect. Third is all locks are car. All locks are car. Can we see that all locks are car? No. So third option is also wrong. None of the conclusion is correct. So none of the conclusion follows. Excuse me. None of the conclusion follows. Hope you got it. Chalo, move on to the next question. Next question is also about missing numbers. So what it is given? 48, 54, 45, 51, 42, 48. Question mark. Can you see any relation between these numbers? See, this is a series of alternate numbers. This is a series of alternate numbers. See, 45 goes with 48 goes with 45, 42, 45 goes with 42. See, difference of 3. Difference of 3. Here also 54 goes with 51, 51 goes with 48. See, difference is 3. Difference is 3. So here also the difference should be of 3. So 42 minus 3 is 39. If you are not able to recognize, I can do it normal way also. 48, 54, 45, 51, 42, 48, question mark. See, 48, 54 plus 6, 54, 45 minus 9, 45, 51 plus 6, 51, 42 minus 9, 42, 48 plus 6, again 48 should be minus 9, so 48 minus 9, 39. 39. Either you can go with alternate numbers or you can do it the traditional way. So the traditional way states plus 6 minus 9 plus 6 minus 9, and in traditional way we can go directly. Okay, chalo, next question. Okay, next question is also what it is given. It is known as alphanumeric numbers. It is known as alphanumeric. Alphanumeric. See, alphabets are also there and numbers are also there. So what the first is? STV20, WXZ 24, ABD2, EFH6 and IJL10. How this number comes? We know 20's place value. We know 20's place value is 20. Sorry, T's place value is 20. X place value is 24. B's place value is 2. F place value is 6. See, J's place value is 10. We got the numbers. How the numbers came? The numbers came, the center letter or the middle letter of the word is represented as number. Okay. And how the letters come? See, S goes to W with plus 4. Then W goes to A plus 4. A goes to E plus 4. E goes to I plus 4. So I should also go with plus 4. So I plus 4, J, K, L, M. So the answer should start with M. See, option number 3 and option number 4 does not start with M. So 3 and 4 are eliminated. 3 and 4 are eliminated. Only either 1 or either 2 should be the answer. See, in this option we can see MN, MN. That means the second letter should be N. And N's place value is 14. N's place value is 14. So we'll only look for the third letter. How the third letter? Is it P or is it O? So you can see V goes to Z plus 4. V goes to Z plus 4. Then again Z goes to D plus 4. D goes to H plus 4. H goes to L plus 4. So L will also go with plus 4. So L plus 4. M N O P. So the answer should be M N P 14. So the answer is option number 1. Option number 1. Okay, let's go to the next question. Next question is about, you can say, sitting. Sitting. So what the question states? 7 students name took a series of tests. They have given a test. So no 2 students got the similar mark. No students got similar marks. Okay, chalo, theek hai. Then we have Vikram scored just more than Pawan. So you can give Vikram scored just more than Pawan. Vikram scored just more than Pawan. ठीक है? See, Vikram is more than Pawan. Okay, chalo. Sorry for the inconvenience. So then we have, so Vikram scored just more than Pawan, and then we have Pawan scored just more than Aman. So Pawan scored just more than Aman. So Pawan scored just more than Aman. Just more than Aman. Then we have Raman and Tanmay scored the highest and the least marks, but not necessarily in the same order. So it is given either Raman or Tanmay highest or the lowest. We don't know. Either Raman is the highest scorer or the lowest scorer, or Tanmay is the highest scorer or the lowest scorer. We don't know. So let's keep it aside. Then we have Umang. Umang's score was less than only Raman's score. See, let's say if Raman is the lowest scorer, let's say Raman is the lowest scorer, that means Raman's number should be 7. And here it is given Umang's score was less than only Raman. If Raman is the lowest, how can Umang be less than Raman? It's not possible. So Raman should be the topper. Then we have Umang. And at the last position, we have Tanmay. We have completed this one. Then Sanam's score was higher than only one person. So we have Sanam over here. Sanam, because Tanmay is the least scorer, then Sanam. Then this should be in the middle part. So Raman is the first one, Umang is second, third is Vikram, fourth is Pawan, fifth is Aman, sixth is Sanam, seventh is Tanmay. So this is our answer. It's Raman, Umang, then we have Vikram, Pawan, Aman, Sanam and Tanmay. Okay, so whose score was in between Pawan and Sanam? So Pawan is in the 4th place, Sanam is in the 6th place. Who is in between them? Aman. Who is in between them? Aman. So the answer is Aman. Hope you got it. Chalo, next question. What is the next question? It is given which two numbers should be interchanged to make the equation correct. Okay. Okay, what is the equation given? 9 plus 6 divided by 4 minus 5 plus 3, which gives 10. You can also play very smart over here. How? You can see 6, if we replace 6 and 10, just for example, if we replace 6 and 10, that means 10 should be here, 6 should be here. You can see 10 cannot be divided by 4. Can be 10 divided by 4? No. So the option 1 is incorrect. Then we have, then let's take 10 and 5. If we go with 10 and 5, so 10 should be here, 5 should be here. So you can see 6, can 6 be divided by 4? No. 6 cannot be divided by 4. So option 2 is also incorrect. Next, 9 and 3. If we go again, see, if we replace 3 and 9, 6 cannot be divided by 4. Can be 6 divided by 4? No. So the option is 4. See, if we replace 9 plus 6, 4 and 3 is replaced, 6 divided by 3 minus 5 plus 4, if we cancel out, so it will come 9 plus 2 minus 5 plus 4, which gives 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 11 minus 6, sorry, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10. See, 10 is there. So the option 4 is correct. So in the examination only, you are not required to do all of this. It's not necessary. Just look for the options. See, you can see 6 cannot be divided by 4. So take a number over here that can be divided by 6. So only 3 can be divided. So option 4 is the correct answer. Chalo, next question. Okay. We have 6 person is sitting in two straight rows. It is also about sitting two straight rows facing north. Their names are this. Okay. Chalo. What the first question states? Farhan. So let's make over here 1, 2, 3. So 3 person sits here. 3 person sits here. Let's make one more. 1, 2, 3. Then we have what we have. Farhan and Manish are sitting diagonally opposite to each end. That means if Farhan is here, Manish should be here. Or if Manish is here, Farhan should be here. Diagonal opposite. That means if Farhan is here, Manish should be here. If Farhan is here, Manish should be here. Same goes with this. If we take, let's take Farhan above and Manish at the bottom. So Farhan can be here or here. Manish can be here or here. Same. If we take Manish in the topmost, in the top, and Farhan at the bottom, so either Manish here or either Manish here. And if Manish is here, Farhan should be here. And if Manish is over here, Farhan should be here. We don't know. Chalo, theek hai. Then we have Utkarsh is in the top row and to the immediate right. And to the immediate right of Farhan. Chalo. Immediate right. That means if Farhan is here, immediate right should be Utkarsh. Immediate right should be Utkarsh. And it is stated that Farhan is in the top row. That means Farhan is in the top row. That means Farhan should not be in the bottommost place. So Farhan should be here. Manish should be here. And Utkarsh is immediate right of Farhan. So you should be here. Then we have Krishna is second to the left of Manish. Second to the left, Manish. First left, second left is Krishna. Then we have Yugal and Krishna are not in the same row. So Yugal should not be here. Yugal should be here. And the left one is Chaman. Left one is Chaman. So question is complete. So what does the question requires? The question requires who are sitting at the diagonal opposite end of Yugal. Yugal is here. Diagonal opposite is K. That means Krishna. K is Krishna. Okay. Hope you got it. Chalo. Move on to the next question. Next question is about relation. What is the relation states? Car, woman and rat. You know car, gadi, woman and rat. So is car linked with woman? And is woman linked with rat? Or is rat linked with car? All the three are not related with each other. So if we take car here, woman here, rat here, some car is woman and all women are. So first option is wrong. If we take car here, woman here, rat here. Can we see car is woman? No. If we see car here, woman here, and rat here, because all are different, no, neither of them are linked with each other, so the option is C. Option is C. ठीक है? Okay, चलो. It's coded language, or it is known as coded language. What does says? In coded language, here are gold and black is coded as @rm, pr, and kt. We don't know. Do we know is here is related to or r is related to rm? We don't know. चलो ठीक है. Golden bell are sound is related as ak, @kt, and hashtag. And bell being loud is coded as hashtag jm and jk. So what can be the code for bell? What can be the code for bell sound? So you can see bell is not here, bell is given here, so the code should also be in this part. So code should be in this part, and bells are also here, so code should be in this part. So either bell is coded in these two. So you can see what we have common in these two coded language. We can see only hashtag. We can see only hashtag is common in both these statements. See, we does not have being loud, we does not have being loud. Hashtag is only common. So bell is coded as hashtag. Bell is coded as hashtag. So where we have hashtag? In option number 2 and option number 3. So option 1 is eliminated. Option 4 is also eliminated. And what we require? Sound. What we require? Sound. So sound is only given in the second statement. So bell is done. So hashtag is completed. Then we have sound is only in this one. That means from this word or from this coded language, sum is of sound. You can we see JM? Is JM given in this one? Is JM given in this coded language? No. That means option 3 is also incorrect. Option 2 is correct because we have AK over here. We have AK. See, we have AK over here. So the option is option number 2. So AK and hashtag are the code for bell and sound. Okay. So today's last question is about sitting. So what it is given? 6 boys are seated around a rectangular table facing towards inward. 4 boys are sitting in the corner and 1 boy is sitting in the middle of the shorter side. You know, shorter side is known as breadth. Okay. So given 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the shorter side is this one, shorter side. So what this says, n is second to the right of k. So let's make 2 diagrams. N is second to the right of k. Let's make k here. N is second to the right. First, second to the right. And if k is in the middle part, let's say k is in the shorter part, so k should be first, n should be in this part. And second to the left of j. So n is second to the left of j. So j should be here, first, second. J should be here, first, second. Then we have m is exactly opposite of n. M is exactly opposite. That means m is here and m is here. Then we have M is not sitting in the corner. So M is not sitting in the corner. That means this option, this possible case is cancelled out. So what are the left? L and P is left. So either L is here, P is here, or either L is here, P is here. We don't know. So either L is here, P is here, or either L is here, P is here. We don't know. But this is the correct diagram. So what it is given? What the question states? Question states L and P are both next to N. See, L and P are both next to N. Yes, we can say that, because if L is here, P is here, and L is here, P is here, position changes but relation doesn't change. So 1 is correct. And second option says K is diagonally opposite to L. If L is here, then it is possible, but P can also be here. So the option 2 is wrong. So only 1 is correct. So this was a small practice set of West Bengal Police and Kolkata Police Constable. Hope you liked it. So have a great day. We'll do another session later on. Okay. Thank you everyone.